Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is AC at the Forge. Today will be a bit different from the usual home-related videos that I've uploaded so far. Well, we don't only DIY our homes, but we DIY our children's parties too. So we have 3 kids aged 16, 10, and 1, and we have been DIYing their party decors from way back. If I remember it right, I think it started with my eldest's 4th birthday. That was also the year when I tried my hands at baking cakes for the first time. You can see here my very first decorated cake. We do all have to start somewhere, right? The important thing is we actually started trying. Let me share here with you some of our DIY stuff from our kids' simple parties. Before, we just printed pictures from Google. Then I tried designing decors in Photoshop, and luckily now there's Canva. It's gotten a lot easier. Also, my cakes have improved so much over the years. Unfortunately, the passion faded away, so I have stopped making cakes now. But I still try to make them for my kids' special occasions. Now, going back to Cassie's Woodland theme party, I bought the design elements on Etsy and just used Canva to make the invites and decors. They come in PNG files, so just layer them on Canva. I can do a separate video on that if you like, Canva tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if that's something you would want me to do for next time. If you go to Etsy, you can type party printables of whatever theme you want. But here's what you can get if you type in Woodland party printables. You can actually buy the ready-made ones, and all you have to do is just print and cut them. If you don't have time to design, then this is a great option for you. But if you want to design your own so that it will be more personal and original, then make friends with Canva. It's so easy to use, so much easier than Photoshop. It's just about layering the elements, and then when you're done, you download, you print, and cut like you would normally do. Now, this is what I used exactly for Cassie's party. My mind is fixed with the idea of putting up a tent in the garden, so I'm so happy to have found this. It has woodland animals and a tent element. I actually didn't want to have pink in the color palette because pink is just too normal for girls' parties. But then this set is just so perfect, and though there's pink, it isn't the most dominant color. As you can see here, they already have ready-made party printable kit. There's this decorative fan and straw flags, welcome poster, drinking bottle wrappers, invite, cupcake wrappers, and picks. Individual animals you can use as picks for other desserts or table decors, banners, and circle toppers that you can attach to party favor bags. Just this kit alone will surely give a wow factor to your party. Then the best part in having printables as your party decors is that you can ask the bigger kids or even your friends to help with the cutting. Now, let's get them all ready. I made this skirt for Cassie to wear in her photo shoot, and then I made it into a high chair decor for the party. It served double purpose. On to the baking part. If you are planning to bake the cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and other baked goods, make sure you plan ahead and do those that has longer shelf life in advance so they are already out of the way, and then bake the cakes and cupcakes closer to the day. And now, it's setup time. The best part of this DIY party is if you have friends around who can help you set up. The stress level lowers and the chance of not making it on time lessens, plus the laughter along the way. Oh, and by the way, the picnic tables were also DIY by our master DIYer friend who is hubby's partner in DIYing our home too. So we tried to do most of the setting up the day before to save time on the day itself. Both the dining table and the picnic tables in the tent were done together with the serving dishes, so we only need to put the food before the party starts. The most exciting part for me was actually setting up the balloons on the tent. Unfortunately, I didn't have any videos while doing that because I had to do it fast. So fast as it's already drizzling and the rain can pour anytime. I think it only took me less than 15 minutes. These balloons, I just bought them on eBay. I know it's not the best quality, but they were okay. You can always buy the branded ones like Qualatex, but I found it hard to get all the colors that I need. Though we had to fill the other balloons with black balloons inside because they turned out too transparent. I watched loads of tutorials by Sharp Designs by Lakeisha here on YouTube. I will link her down below. But I love that she uses 260 balloons to attach them as it's more flexible. I binge watched all her videos before I actually got the confidence to do it myself. By the way, this bell tent is also what we use for camping. So we didn't buy it just for the sake of this party. It is actually so worth it. That's it for this week's video. If you have any questions, pop them in the comment section and I will answer as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs and family related videos. Until next time, bye!